When I bend the arm, I can see the gap between the upper arm and the lower arm and the crease in the middle. In this video, I'll show you how we can use patch layer to fix this. So I'll use this arm. It is in 3 layers: upper arm, lower arm and the hand. So I'll convert this to a bone. Now I will add the bones. I'm going to enable paths so I can see the vector points. Now I will add the bone for the other layers. Go to quick settings and enable path. For the first bone, I'll reduce its strength to 0. And for these bones, I'll make it 0.2. I'm going to change the color of this arm. Now I'll select the lower layer. Select the bone and choose the option Link Bones. The lower layer, select the bone, Link Bones. And for the hand, I'll use Bind layer. So it is not necessary to use link bones. If you want to use point binding or some other method, you can use that also. So now we can see that there is a huge gap over here between the two layers. For the patch layer to work, we need to create a group. It only works in a group. Click over this. I'll click on new layer and then we have patch over here. Click patch and we get this option patch target. So it will show all the layers that we have in that group. So I need target for the upper layer, so I'll select that and click OK. So now I have this ellipse over here. This is the patch, so I need to move it to the location where I want it to work. So I have this transform layer. We can use the transform layer to move it. And I'm going to put it over here. And if I want to increase its size, I can do this. So if I go to preview right now, we can see that the crease in the middle is not visible because the patch layer is hiding it. And I need one more patch for the hand. Click patch and the target will be lower. And now we can see that the crease is not visible, which was here earlier. Now we need to bind the patch layers also to the bones. So select the upper patch and bind it to the bone. Select the lower patch. Now I'll go to the timeline. Now to view this properly, I'll just click on preview. Now we can see that I have bent the arm, and the stroke which was in the middle is not visible anymore because the patch is covering it. So we can use the patch on any part of the body, shoulders, legs. As long as we follow these instructions, the patch will work.